Describe an invention that is useful in daily life. What the invention is, what it can do, how popular it is, whether it is difficult or easy to use, and explain why it is useful. Well, in this technological era, there are many inventions which found useful in humans' life. These inventions has made masses' life very easier and also helped to save time. Here, I would like to talk about an invention which has brought a drastic change in this epoch, and that innovation is mobile phone, also known as a cell phone or smartphone. Mobile phones have evolved to become multi-purpose devices capable of performing numerous tasks. They can make voice and video calls, send and receive messages, browse the internet, capture photos and videos, play games, listen to music, access social media platforms, use various applications, navigate using GPS, and much more. Additionally, smartphones offer advanced features such as biometric authentication, high-resolution displays, and powerful processors for multitasking. These gadgets have become incredibly popular worldwide. They have revolutionized communication, entertainment, and productivity, becoming an integral part of modern life. According to recent statistics, around 2/3 of the global population carry smartphone and use it on daily basis. Even in my family, every member has their own smartphone. This gadget is designed to be user-friendly, with intuitive interfaces and simplified navigation. While some features may require a learning curve, the basic operations such as making calls, sending messages, and accessing commonly used apps are generally straightforward and easily understandable. Also, phones allow people to stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues regardless of their location. One can also access internet to search information, play games on it, entertain themselves, and so on. That is why I think that it's one of the best useful invention. What qualities do inventors have? Inventors possess several key qualities that set them apart. Firstly, they have a natural curiosity and a keen sense of observation, allowing them to identify problems and opportunities for innovation. Also, they possess a creative mindset, enabling them to generate unique and novel ideas. Apart from it, inventors demonstrate persistence and resilience, as they often face obstacles and setbacks during the invention process. Do you think only scientists can invent new things? No. Inventing new things is not limited to scientists alone. While scientists play a crucial role in scientific discoveries and breakthroughs, innovation and invention can come from various fields and backgrounds. Engineers, entrepreneurs, artists, and even everyday individuals can contribute to new inventions. Creative thinking, problem-solving skills, and a passion for exploration can lead to groundbreaking innovations, irrespective of one's formal scientific training. What inventions do you think should be improved? There are several inventions that could benefit from improvements. Firstly, healthcare devices, such as prosthetics and medical implants, could be improved for greater functionality and seamless integration with the human body. Renewable energy technologies, such as solar panels and wind turbines, could be further enhanced to increase efficiency and affordability. Also, transportation systems, particularly public transport, should be improved. Do all inventions bring benefits to our world? No, not all inventions bring benefits to our world. While many inventions have improved our lives in various ways, some inventions have had negative consequences. For example, inventions like nuclear weapons have brought destruction and devastation. Similarly, certain technological advancements have led to privacy concerns and ethical dilemmas. It is essential to consider the potential impacts of an invention on society and the environment before determining its overall benefit. How has technology made our life easier? Technology has made our lives easier in numerous ways. Mainly, it has greatly improved communication, allowing us to connect instantly with people worldwide through various platforms. It has made everyday tasks, such as shopping, banking, and accessing information easy by providing convenient online solutions. Along with this, it has enriched entertainment and leisure activities, offering a wide range of digital content and immersive experiences for relaxation and enjoyment. Which invention do you think is more useful at home? In my opinion, it is not easy to describe that which one is more useful invention for home. If I talk about the internet, it helps to stay connected with a vast amount of information and resources, allowing us to learn, work, and talk with others. Additionally, the washing machine has revolutionized household chores by automating the process of cleaning clothes, saving time and effort.